are currently paying for: ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta AI, Canva, Jasper, Midjourney, with one single platform that does it all. Better, faster, and for a one-time price of just $17? Right now, you're probably spending anywhere from $100 to $500 a month on AI subscriptions. One for chat, one for images, one for video, one for documents. Each one capping your usage, limiting your access, and charging you again next month whether you used it or not. It is exhausting. It is expensive. And it stops today. Introducing GPT Sol, the ultimate ChatGPT Sol AI platform built on advanced GPT technology, giving you access to the complete lineup of premium ChatGPT models from the past, present, and the latest models from one powerful dashboard. GPT Sol is not just another chatbot, it's your complete AI workspace. Type a single prompt and watch GPT Sol build you a complete website, write your entire sales page, create a professional presentation, generate Word documents, PDFs, and spreadsheets, write your ad copy, email sequences, blog posts, ebooks, and much more, all in seconds. Homelessness by advanced ChatGPT AI models, GPT Sol delivers exceptional writing, reasoning, coding, research, and content creation, all while remaining simple enough for complete beginners with zero technical skills. Right now, for a strictly limited time, you can get lifetime access to GPT Sol for a one-time payment of just $17. No monthly fees, no hidden charges, plus a free commercial license so you can sell what you create with GPT Sol and keep 100% of the profits. But you need to act right now because this one-time price increases every single hour. And once this launch window closes, it switches to a monthly subscription permanently. Click the button below, lock in your price before it climbs again, and get instant access to GPT Sol today.